What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Nitish21 back with another video, and today we got my boy JD over here, and it is a little bit of a gloomy day, but it doesn't matter because take a look what we got shining bright behind us with this beautiful yellow G35 Coupe that JD's built here. And JD, tell us a little bit about the car so far, what you've done.
Well, I've had this car for about 7 years, you know, and for the most part it's been NA, but I decided to just one day just full send it, bro. Like it's stock block. I have a Greddy Twin Turbo kit on it. It's been running wonderful for the past 3 years, boosted, no issues. Still in the stock block, still kicking it at about 490 wheel. It does have a kill map for 570 wheel.
Crazy.
But I mean, like I haven't needed to gap anyone like that.
All right. Can you believe 570 wheel horsepower on the stock motor? And although he doesn't run it there all the time, the fact that it even made that on the dyno and it's still kicking, like he's driving it every day. Just look at how clean this thing is. Absolutely beautiful build, and it's got the Motordyne exhaust with the ART pipes, and you gotta hear this thing. We're gonna give you some sound clips. We're gonna be taking it for a proper drive just in a little bit, but it's gonna show you guys a little bit around the car. It's got some beautiful carbon bits on the back, diffusers, side splitters. He's got the Fly One fenders, as well as a beautiful carbon fiber hood, Specty headlights, custom taillights. And what was the name of the wide body?
It's the Crown Carbon Crafting rear wide body fenders.
Beautiful. And then TE37s, you know, these always look fantastic on the G35 Coupes, but it doesn't end there. Just take a look at the interior setup. It's got a beautiful set of seats in this thing. Really clean interior setup on this car. So I'm gonna have him open up the engine bay. Let's just take a look at the inside there. Now, as you guys know, with boosted VQs, a lot of guys don't always run like kits that kind of show off the turbo in the engine bay. Like most of the twin turbo kits are just tucked in, like the R35 GTR, just where the headers are, so you don't always see the turbos. Same with my kit on my G35, we have it kind of tucked in underneath beside the transmission, so it's not like an engine bay showy kit. But but this engine bay, I've seen it on Instagram. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure you follow JD on Instagram. I'll put it on the bottom left corner there for you guys. But take a look at this. That's fantastic, man. You killed it with this car for sure. It's probably one of the cleanest, well put together G35s I've ever had on my channel so far. Let's start it up and let's see how it sounds. Wow. These views are spectacular. Oh my God. Have a quick peek of what we're looking at. This is crazy. It's blowing me away how different all these cars can be. Like I've been in supercharged VQs, twin turbo VQs, single turbo VQs, and like each car has its own power band. This delivery is just so unique. It's fantastic. Yeah, so JD, how long have you had the car?
About 7 years.
7 years. And how long did you drive it NA before you decided to boost it?
Bro, like probably 4 years.
Was it worth it?
Oh, so much worth it. I wish I'd done it earlier, you know, instead of wasting my time on bolt-ons and whatnot. But I would recommend, though, make sure your engine is healthy, low mileage. This is actually a low mileage JDM engine.
Holy
so it's
shit.
got less than 50K miles on it. You know, I just wanted it to be safe. I would say having a good tune, just go with the best fuel that you can. You know, in my case, I'm full E85, knock prevention properties, cooling properties to it, and it's just the best thing you can do for, you know, boosted setups.
You hear that? So it's crazy. Like, a lot of you guys always asking me, like, guys, what do I do? Do I do bolt-ons? What's the best mods? In my honest opinion, guys, like, I know I don't want to scare you away from doing bolt-on NA setup, but I promise you, if you just save up and boost your car, it is one of the most enjoyable experiences from a VQ perspective. Like, these cars, when you boost them, they turn into something completely different. And yes, there are faster cars out there you can buy, and yes, you can, you know, like, go get a Beamer and do some bolt-ons and it'll be faster, but I promise you the driving experience does not compare. Guys, my turn to take this beautiful G35 for a drive, so let's see how it is.
No waiver form?
Yeah. We're just in the road.
No insurance form?
Yeah. It's okay, yo. The good thing is we got a ton of VQ boosted experience under my belt, so you can, if anyone's certified to drive this car, I promise you it's me.
Very few people out there.
Yeah, exactly. Oh my god. Guys, the noises, man. That's what it is. It's the noises. Listen to, like, you just like roll it to boost and let off. Listen to this. Oh my god. Wait for us, my guy. Oh my god, fantastic. Bro, this is even more enjoyable on the road than my G, to be honest with you. Oh my god, man. Bro, JD, thank you, man. I love this. I fucking love this. Oh my god, listen to that. It's hooking up very nicely. And guys, you don't need a ton of power to have fun. Like this isn't even on its kill map. What is it at right now? It's just under 500, right?
490.
490 wheel horsepower. It's not even on its kill map, and it doesn't matter because look how enjoyable it is to drive. Oh my god. Are so glorious. What is it? Is it the blow-off valve that just sounds that good, or is it like just because it's twins and it's just throwing it back and forth, or like?
I guess it's just everything working together, you know,
okay.
The twins and the blow-off valve.
Right.
Yeah, it's a tile cube blow-off valve.
Okay, okay. Yeah. And like, guys, look at how the drivability of the car has not been altered at all. It drives like any other NA G35 Coupe. There's no drone. It's very comfortable to drive. The seats are crazy comfortable, and the car is just cruising. It's not bucking. The tune is crisp on it. Who tuned your car?
My boss, Specialty Z.
Specialty Z, guys. Look at that. Beautifully tuned car. The most thing I'm impressed of, guys, is stock motor. And he's been running this car and beating on it, and look how well it's driving. That's the most impressive thing. A lot of guys will tell you that 400 wheel horsepower is the absolute limit of the DE motor, but it goes to show you that a well-tuned car can make even more than that. And it's just, part of it is how you drive it. If you beat on the car 24/7, yes, it can blow up, but you take care of it, drive it well, and as JD said, good oil, good fuel, you know, and just stay on top of your maintenance, make sure oil's topped up. Look at how well this thing drives. I can't get over that.
Different as passenger, bro.
Oh, is it?
My car feels faster as a passenger.
I always say that, yeah. I remember the first time I rode passing my G, my boy drove, and I was like, yo, chill. I was like, shit. Oh yeah, passenger always like hits different, man, in any car. Oh man, it makes it even more special because of the views you guys have over here, bro. Look at this.
Yeah.
Mount is everywhere. I swear, I was just telling JD earlier, these guys are like desensitized to their views out here.
We take it for granted.
Yeah, take it for granted. All right, JD, just wanted to say thank you, bro, one more time, man.
Of course,
appreciate it.
Fun stuff, bro.
So
hope you enjoyed, bro.
I did, bro. It was absolutely fantastic. So, guys, make sure you guys follow JD, and I hope you guys enjoyed his beautiful twin turbo G35 Coupe. See you guys next time. When you gotta drive a boosted VQ, it's just so enjoyable to drive. It hits the soul, trust me.
Never gets old.
Never gets old, exactly. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.